I'd like to pass along a little trick that I've learned. This is my sandblast booth, and as you can see, the viewing port is fogged up. And what I do is, as I drive along the road, I look for single pane storm windows that have been thrown out, and I pick them up. They're free. And I found that glass lasts a lot longer than the Mylar that's sold from dealers. And what you have to do is take the single pane storm windows apart and cut them up and tape them on the inside of the sandblaster. Now, if we get a little closer to the sandblaster, you'll see that you can hardly see through this. And this has lasted quite a while. So it's time to replace it. And that's what we're going to do. And yes, I forgot to turn the mic on the camera again, but the next clip has audio. Okay, the nice thing about picking pieces up beside the road is they're free. And some of these pieces actually have little screws in the ends that hold the frame together. So if you take the screws out, the frame comes apart easier. If they don't have screws in them and they're crimped together, and they're a little more difficult. I'm not very good at this. I should go on YouTube and see how you're supposed to cut glass. Okay, now we got a piece of glass to work with. And I know from experience that 24 by 8 is about the right size for the window. So let's cut, let's mark this as 24. By 8, 16, 24, 8, 16, 24. Now I'll be lucky to get one piece out of this. I'm terrible at cutting glass. Well, let's give it a try. Now, let's go for this. People think that you put the tip of the glass cutter in the oil to lubricate it. What you're really doing is keeping the tip cool. Okay. Let's see what happens. Wow, not bad. Let's do another one. 2. Now let's cut the end off. I'm actually only supposed to score once, but it didn't sound quite right the first time. There's one piece. Uh-oh. Wow. That just went. That sounded really nice. And now for the piece that I know we're going to have a problem with. Wow, look at that. So now I got 3 pieces for the viewing point. So let's put it in. First step is get the old piece out. Now I like to run the fan while I'm inside there so that I'm not breathing all the dust. So that's what the old piece looks like. So now we gotta clean up one of these pieces so that we can put it inside the sandblast booth. And the best way I found to do that is to set it up on this like that. So it's important to get this clean because you're going to sandwich it between the safety glass, so the viewing port, and the glass. So you want it clean. So I start off with a little brake clean because who knows what this has been through. And a little glass cleaner. Do both sides, even though the inside is going to get covered with glass, sand. I'm known as the paper towel clean. I'm not shy with using paper towels. So now we got a pretty clean piece of glass. what we got to do is clean the inside of the viewing port. And I don't put any brake clean on that, even though it's supposed to be safety glass. I just use glass cleaner. And while I'm at it, I'll do the outside. Okay. And I have found that the best tape to use is actually painter's tape. I tried duct tape, but it just didn't work as well. So this Blues painter's tape seems to work pretty darn good. So the first one I put pretty much 1/2 to 3/4 on glass. And that leaves enough to see through. And provide a good bonding surface. I'd like more than that. And then I put another half of that. So now I have a full 2 inches of tape that will stick to the inside of the glass. You want a pretty good seal so you don't get any sand in between the glass and the safety glass of the viewing port. And now we stick it into the sandblaster. We get it pretty straight when we put it in. And now you can actually see into the sandblaster. Well, let me give you an example. So being able to see the object you're sandblasting makes it so that you can do a better job of cleaning all the junk off the piece that you're sandblasting and get you a better result. It means less trips in and out of the sandblaster and a better product. So I'm really happy to have this new piece of glass in the sandblaster because this radiator is actually going to be my next how-to project, and it's on how to clean it up and make it look like it's brand new. So what do you think? You can see nice and clear, and that glass will last a long time because the glass holds up much better than the Mylar sheets they sell you. Okay, thank you. If you enjoyed the video, thought it was informative, please click the like, thumbs up in the lower right hand corner, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.